Hello everyone, my name is Matthew, and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome to Lesson 41 of Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. Today, we are going to learn how to make comparisons. To make comparisons in Hebrew, we need to know two words, yoter, which means more, and pachot, which means less. We can say, this rabbit is faster, like this. This rabbit is ha'arnav hazeh. And faster will be said as more fast in Hebrew. That is, yoter, more, mahir, fast. Yoter mahir, faster. Ha'arnav hazeh yoter mahir. This rabbit is faster. Ha'arnav hazeh yoter mahir. In Hebrew, you can also put yoter after the adjective, so this sentence could also be ha'arnav hazeh mahir yoter. This rabbit is faster. If we wanted to instead say this rabbit is less fast, we would say pachot, less, mahir, fast. Ha'arnav hazeh pachot mahir. This rabbit is less fast. Ha'arnav hazeh pachot mahir. The word more, or the ending in English, is often used with the word than to make comparisons, as in the sentence, the turtle is bigger than the fish. When making these kinds of comparisons in Hebrew, the preposition for than will be min, which in other places means from. To say this sentence in Hebrew, we'll first say hatzav, the turtle, and then bigger, which will be more big in Hebrew. This can be either gadol yoter, with the adjective gadol, big, first, or yoter gadol. I'll use gadol yoter here to mean bigger. Then is the preposition min, which will contract to me and attach onto the next word, hadag, the fish. That makes hatzav gadol yoter me hadag. The turtle is bigger than the fish. Hatzav gadol yoter me hadag. This is how comparisons are usually made in modern Hebrew. In biblical Hebrew, though, the word yoter is not necessary, nor is it used. Proverbs 27:5, for example, says in Hebrew, tova tochachat mugula me'ahava musutaret, which means better is open reproof than hidden love. In biblical Hebrew, comparisons only need an adjective, tova, good, and the preposition me, then, with no need for the word yoter, which means more. Sometimes, you may also see comparisons made without yoter in modern Hebrew. Let's see another example of a comparison. The cake is better than the bread. The cake is ha'uga. Better means more good, so in Hebrew, it will be tova yoter, using the feminine singular form of tov, good, tova, to agree with the feminine singular uga. Then is me, which attaches onto halechem, the bread. Ha'uga tova yoter me halechem. The cake is better than the bread. Ha'uga tova yoter me halechem. Let's also say, I am younger than him. I is ani, and younger, more young, can be tza'ir yoter or yoter tza'ir. Here I'll use yoter tza'ir. Then him will be the preposition min with a him suffix. Min has irregular suffixes. In this case, from him or then him is mimenu. Ani yoter tza'ir mimenu. I am younger than him. Ani yoter tza'ir mimenu. So those are comparatives, which compare one thing to another. Let's also learn about something called superlatives. In English, better is a comparative word. It compares things, as in, the cake is better than the bread. It is more good. While best is a superlative. The cake is the best, that is, the most good of all. To make superlatives in Hebrew, we can use the preposition ba with the word yoter, ba yoter. To say the cake is the best with the word ba yoter, we start with ha'uga, the cake. Hebrew doesn't always need a word for is, but here I will add the pronoun he, which can mean she or is, to break up the sentence a little. Next, we say hatova, the adjective tova, good, with a ha on the beginning, followed by biyoter. Hatova biyoter means the best, which is a superlative, the most good, made with a ha, an adjective, and biyoter. Ha'uga hi hatova biyoter. The cake is the best. Ha'uga hi hatova biyoter. And there is a second way we can make a superlative in Hebrew, using the word hakhi. To say the cake is the best, using the word hakhi, we'll once again start with ha'uga hi, the cake is. When using hakhi, we will put it before the adjective and then say the adjective tova, good. With hakhi, the adjective does not need a ha. Ha'uga hi hakhi tova. The cake is the best. Ha'uga hi hakhi tova. Let's see one more example of a superlative with the sentence, this chicken is the tastiest meat. Tastiest is a superlative, the most tasty. This chicken is ha'ov hazeh. And in this sentence, we'll also add a word for is, hu, which can mean he or is. The tastiest meat is a phrase we can make with biyoter or hakhi. Let's start by using biyoter. When we use this word, there will be a ha on the adjective ta'im, tasty, and also on the noun that goes with it, basar, meat. After habasar hata'im, we say biyoter. Habasar hata'im biyoter, the tastiest meat. Ha'ov hazeh hu habasar hata'im biyoter. This chicken is the tastiest meat. Ha'ov hazeh hu habasar hata'im biyoter. To say the tastiest meat using the word hakhi, we put the noun first, basar, with a ha, which means the, then the word hakhi, and then the adjective ta'im, tasty, with no ha. Habasar hakhi ta'im, the tastiest meat. Ha'ov hazeh hu habasar hakhi ta'im. This chicken is the tastiest meat. Ha'ov hazeh hu habasar hakhi ta'im. Lastly, the word yoter can be used with another word, midai, to make the Hebrew expression for two, yoter midai, which literally means more than enough. Let's use this expression to say the turtle is too slow. The turtle is hatzav, two is yoter midai, and slow is iti. Hatzav yoter midai iti. The turtle is too slow. Hatzav yoter midai iti. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.